Thank you, baby.
You know what?
Okay, my first store is an hour away from here. I just gotta do some paperwork and then we'll get going. Oh, I found it. I found my trailer. I found it. Where was your trailer?
Alright, so my next run is 2 hours away. So that's gonna be fun. Before I go look for my trailer and hook up and stuff, I am going to eat some lunch. I packed some strawberries and a tuna wrap. So I'm gonna take my break now. Okay, I just finished my lunch. I put hand sanitizer on that smells like roses, but now my hands smell like fish and roses. So let's go. I found my trailer. Let's do a tuck test. Alright. Let's go hook up.
High heels on my tippies.
Alright. All hooked up and ready to go. It's gonna be fun. Here I go 45. That's like the only curve that I slow down even though there's like no signs to slow down. Here goes nothing. Let's see how many pull-ups it takes. It is so dark. I'm gonna turn off this light so I can see better. Alright, let's drop this trailer. I think is that store the one where you turn in by the diner? No. I'm finally bringing back a short trailer. that means my day has come to an end. It's snowing right now, like very lightly, but it's still snowing. Yeah, let's park up this truck. I have like 2 more numbers I need to write in my paper, and then that's it. And then that's it. And then I'm done. And then I'm going home. So today was like an 8.5 hour shift. I think. So not bad. Okay. Good spot.
Yeah.
Say hi, that's the boyfriend.
I thought you would have done that by now.
I'm working on it. You know what? I'll see you at the car. Na na na. Na na na. I think he's dying. I think he ran the whole way. He's dying. We're in the car now. He's gonna die. He ran the whole way. Let's just go home. Let's go home. Oh my god. Oh my god. This wrap is so like, it's dripping. I'm sure she's delicious though, so. Why do I feel